Welcome! I'm Gianluca Bisol, the 21st generation of a family that produced Prosecco and Cartizze from 1542. We are now in the hill of Cartizze, that is considered the best part of the terroir of Prosecco. The terroir of Prosecco is a big area in northeast of Italy, near Venice. It's about 30,000 hectares, and Cartizze is only 106 hectares cultivated by 140 families. And my family cultivated this vineyard that is in the top of this hill from 1542. And now, welcome in the winery, from the vineyard to the winery. And now I will introduce you to how we produce our Prosecco Superiore and our Cartizze, and we will have a tasting together. Thank you for coming. Come on. And now, welcome in our reception. Here we will have the pleasure to introduce you to the winery, and we can show you all the different typologies of Prosecco that we produce. The single vineyards, when it's right Bisol, it means that it is from a single vineyard in the highest and steepest vineyard in Valdobbiadene town, so considered the best expression of a single soil. But there is also the Geio. Geio is a cuvée of 3 different soils with the same grape, with Glera, that is the grape that we need to produce the Prosecco Superiore, and we bring together the 3 kinds of soil to have a wonderful harmony of the Prosecco grape. And now welcome in the winery, where we produce the wine where there is the fermentation. After the harvest is very carefully. We go 3 times in 1 month in the vineyard to bring the grape at the perfect timing of maturation. And after this, we put the grape in a small box, arrive in the winery. We separate the steam from the bunch, and we leave the bunch for 1 night at 8 degrees of temperature. This allows us to extract all the possible aromas that there are in the grape. After this, we press the grape, obtain the juice, but the juice is separated in 4 different parts, and each part have a different fermentation. And at the end, we put all together the 4 kinds of fermentation. After this, we leave the cuvée in the still tank for many months, and after about 10 months, we are ready to have the second fermentation, always in tank, but with a controlled temperature at low temperature, at 13 degrees of temperature, and we transform the wine in sparkling wine. This process brings about 2 months, and this is the perfect timing for transform the wine in sparkling wine naturally, and bring inside the sparkling all the original flavor. And now welcome in the part that is the most ancient of the winery. Here all have the beginning, and here we will have the pleasure to taste with you our Prosecco Superiore. And now I bring a bottle of a single vineyard of a cru Bisol that is produced in the highest and steepest vineyard in the area. And with you we will have a wonderful tasting, and I hope that you would like to come back again to visit the winery. Welcome! Evviva! Please come again to visit the winery. I wait you. Salute.